What I feel as a hands-on mother, that my kids should have exposure to all these things that the school has provided here. I can't just give them these fall leaves and sand area, but through this area, I think the kids foster a love of nature. Nature is the greatest inspiration you can find, actually.
Actually, the purpose of designing these areas are to create the awe for Allah among the children and create the gratitude what Allah has given the resources to all of us. Different activities are planned and different instructions are given to them. They plan, then they do it, and they review all these things. And the teachers are there to facilitate them. Actually, the way they are appreciating the love and they simply don't want to leave the area, and definitely their response in their booklets, I can see their love of this area.
My son has made this watermelon and a light bulb, although the light bulb looks more like a sun, but it's a good learning actually for children.